I can't believe it. This is working out really well. What a great product. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I have 2 yard tools for you guys. It's a 2 kit. Comes in a pair together. I have a blower and I have a weed whacker right here. It's quite big. I already used it. Did a demo. Well, you'll be seeing in the video. It's nice. It actually retracts for easy storage. You can loosen this up for the handle and drop this down or move it in any position you want. It comes in pieces, so you're going to have to screw it together. This shroud does not come on. It has a wheel right here for edging. So you can use this for edging when you're like this, and you can edge as you're going down. This is adjustable as well. I'm making the table all dirty from the... You push the button here and then the head moves. So it's easier to do the edging. It's a great tool. And you can also spin the head. So it makes it easier for the positions that you want to do for what lawn job you have. Okay? It does come with 2 batteries. Comes with 2 batteries. And they're 2 amp hour apiece. And made a big mess here. This is a cute blower. Okay, this comes off. This is how it is when you get it. This is the part that's actually in the box when you get it. It claims to be 145 miles an hour. I used it yesterday. Doesn't seem all that fast. So I tested it. And we're going to go to that video right now. Let's check it out. It's definitely not 145 miles an hour. They are off by 100 miles an hour, so it's only 45. Now, mind you, when I'm doing that test, that nozzle is right next to the back end of that wind meter, right? So it's only going 45 miles an hour, so they're off by 100 miles an hour. However, I did use the yard tools yesterday during my yard work. I mowed the lawn, and then I said, you know what, instead of breaking out the DeWalt gear that I have, which I only use DeWalt on the property, this was 100% given to me for free. Disclaimer, I did not pay for this. I will have a link in the description below if you're looking for something such as this. It's really inexpensive. 2 tools, $100. Comes with 2 batteries and 1 charger. Okay, so you always have a battery, because you're not going to use both tools at the same time. Now, what I did was, I have 1 battery here that's got 2 bars on it, okay? I use this 1 battery to do my whole property in the backyard and blowing with 1 battery. And it's still 50% charged. So that's impressive. So I'm going to give this, since they lied about the Badger blower at 145 miles an hour, I'm going to give this a rating of 4 stars. It's a good kit. It's a great starter kit, especially if you're just starting out as a homeowner. You can't afford top-end gear, and you're just looking for basic tools, a blower. That does work. It worked perfectly fine, no issues whatsoever. And a weed whacker that also worked. And I was just overly impressed with the whole thing. So, I'll show some videos of that now, and then we'll go to the conclusion. Alright, so we're gonna... This thing is brand new. Let's see how good it is. 20 volt max. I just charged his battery. pretty well. Let's go over here. Now, this device is not for everybody, but if you're on a budget, this is absolutely perfect. Let's see how well it does this. Now, I left these tall for this purpose because I wanted to, I was expecting this product to come in from my sponsor, and we're doing real world testing. I can't believe it. This is working out really well. What a great product. So if you can't afford DeWalt, this happens to be a 2-pack. I have a blower as well, which we'll still have to show you that. But yeah, this is actually working out. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. All right, let's see what the battery is. I'm curious. We're beating the crap out of this thing. 3. Oh, still 3. That's impressive. Wow, crazy. We could do the edging here around the bar. That's right, we could do that. That'd be great. Let's do that. Go around this area here. Perfect. All right, we're going to take that same battery. That's weird. It went up to 3 bars. That's weird. It was just 2. But we're gonna. This comes with a blower. This is a two combo. It's a Badger blower, and we're gonna see if this can blow this crap away. This is the stuff that I just cut with the weed whacker. I want to see if it actually blow away. This is a real. I mean, this is the first time you're using this stuff. Just so you know. Wow. It's not overly powerful. It's not overly powerful, but it's for basic stuff and it works. So these are 20 volt max batteries. They're not compatible with anything but the Badger product. Okay, all of their Badger products will be compatible with other devices that they do sell that is battery operated. So it's got to be 20 volt max. So it's very similar to the DeWalt mentality of 20 volt max. So this is that type of feel. Battery indicator on the back. You know, that's kind of a plus, having that ability. So that said, this is getting a 4-star rating I'm impressed with it. Not overly impressed. It does do the job. I don't like the fact that they lied with this. It is really light. Doesn't really weigh much. But if you don't want to be tethered by electric cord, for $100, that's what it is. I'll have a link in the description below. It's $50 a tool. Matter of fact, I think this is worth $25 and the Weed Whacker is worth $75, but that's just me. You know, and there's a $100 value. The batteries are free. I mean, I'm not saying that they're free in terms of the cost. The batteries are probably the most expensive. So if you went to buy these separately and the whole kit is $100, that kind of leaves you to believe that the value is actually in the battery and not in the product. Just saying. But it does work, and it works well for the cost. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.